Guys, here the very first question is appeared on the real test as well. Here written that a product's cost increased by 135 every m months. It means in 1 month it increases by 135 dividing by m in 1 month. But we need overall increase every k years. It means after k years. The most point is here k years. Here pay attention. Here months. And we have k years. But these k years I should convert to months. Like k years is 12 months. I can do is by multiplying this as well. And I have another way as well for showing it properly. Like k years, it is okay like this. Yes. I'm going to what? 12 months equals to 1 year. Like I'm going to show you how to uh, this one and this one goes, and 12 months now is converted. It is the official SAT way for converting this. Month goes, you will get the final expression. This one times this one dividing by m times k. Okay, here it is something C will be answer. So problem is solved. Guys, this moment clear for everybody. Please put reaction on Zoom. You can put reaction. Very good. Thank you. Let's continue. The second question. In the second question, uh, the population of a certain city doubled every 75 years from this year to this year. This population of city was this. What was population of the city in this year? Okay, guys. Okay. You can see if it doubles every 75 years, if, if it doubles if it doubles every 75 years, uh, we need to find at what year. Okay, look, how many years we have from this year to this year? We have, if you subtract the numbers, you will get 300 years. 300 years includes 300, you should divide to 75, includes 4 periods of 75 years. In every period, the it doubles. It means, let's say this year the number of population was x times 4 times doubling, like 2 2 2 and 2. It's equal to, at this year now we came, now it's equal to this number, guys. After this we can easily calculate the value of x. Okay. Okay, it is divided by 2 to the power of 4. So here you go. So at this year population was 15,000. Guys, here quick the point for modeling this kind of questions. How to modelize them? Let's say the model of this function. Initial value we already calculated 15,000 times. It is doubling, and every 75 years. It means t divided by 75, where t is number of years after 1648, guys. Like this. This is model of this exponential function. Okay, let's continue, guys. Guys, about this question, everything is clear? Thank you. Now let's continue. Let's focus on the third question. It's also appeared last recent SAT test on December SAT test. as a model one, by the way. Now let's read this question and analyze. On a plot of land, 48% of square footage is farmland. And the remaining square footage is pasture. Okay. Now we can understand from this sentence that we have some square footage. Of this square footage, 48% farmland, and other part, which is 52%, will be footage just pasture. There are buildings exactly 21.5% of square footage of the farmland. Now, of the farmland, this amount. Let's see, guys. Okay, let's say we consider that the overall square footage, let's say area just one. Then 0.41 48 times 1 is what? Farmland. And of this farmland, this percent is for while working, you should always convert it to decimals. It is 0. These guys will be decimals plus, and the remaining part 0.52 times of 1 of the farmland times, and look, remaining part is pasture, and 19% of the pasture is buildings. So 0.19. I'm going to calculate overall buildings in overall this footage. So now I added them. I got this value. Guys, it's in decimals. It means it is this fraction of overall one. If you convert it to decimals, you will get 20.2. 20.2% of this overall square footage. Problem is solved. I just added them as the amount of buildings in the two section. Guys, this moment is clear. Thank you. Let's continue. As the next problem. The next problem is, guys, if you have questions, you can ask from me as well. Okay. The next question. You are given a system of equations. The system has no real solution. What is the least possible value of A? Guys, for we need no real solution. Okay, we have like the pure decimals way, like y equals to this one, and it is another function is y equals to x squared plus 8x plus a. We can add slider, and we need to find the least possible value of a via no solution. You can see now two intersection points. Now that's why I can do bigger when I reach to the no solution part. Now I guess here it is one solution. So when it's 10, it is no solution, no intersection points. When it's 9, two solutions. So the least possible value of A is 10. Like when you increase this as well, there is no solution, but we need least possible value 10. The lesser than this is 9, but if you put 9 here, will be two solutions. That's why the least possible value of A via no solution is 10. Problem is solved. Guys, is it clear? Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's continue. The next question. Next question is from all the SAT test. Like I here choose this question as well for better understanding the SAT frame. Look, guys, we are going to solve this equation. It means we are just equalizing two equations at some point. It means their intersection points. Their intersection points is here. If you provide here x coordinate of this one, it is b, is something negative. The only negative answer in the options is answer A. So equalizing them means finding their intersection points. Very good. Very good. Okay. Thank you. Now I think we can continue because it's easy question. Now the next question. Next question here, given this expression where x greater than 1 can be written like this. Guys, those two are equal to each other. It means now what is this the meaning of this one? When you should know, every SAT student should know this kind of expressions. If you write in the exponent form, it will be m divided by n. Here also same thing, x to the power of 3m divided by 8. Now it's equal to x to the power of 1 over 5. After this, you can just equalize those two, like 3m divided by 8 equals to 1 divided by 5. After this, you can easily calculate cross production rule, 3m times 5, 8 times 1. Here m will be equal to 8 divided by 15 because 3 times 5 is 15. So answer to this question will be 8 divided by 15. Guys, this moment is clear? Okay, very good. Thank you. Let's continue. Let's solve the next question about the function. Let's one also appeared on the December SAT test. Now, guys, today for the this session, I collected the questions mostly from the 2024, and I am uploading as well train set 4. Here I added some recent questions as well. Let's continue. But SAT is repetitive, so you should know every possible questions for getting good results. Let's continue. The next problem here given a function. If you see this problem is called advanced math problems. Immediately.
I cannot see your screen.
Yeah, Atiya, you want to say something?
Yes, I cannot see your screen.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now you can see, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Let's continue. Now, if you see advanced math questions, immediately introduce your function z of w. If you write like this, it like introduces function 0 point this square, not square, but power 2 times of w. Here your function. When your z increases by 1, your function, this initial function, here written that, your initial function z of w increases to p%. When something increases by p%, it will be 1 plus p over 100. Guys must know rule. While increasing some value, so decrease, yeah, here written decreases. When something decreases, you should multiply this number to 1 minus p. So here you go. You can see problem is solved. P equals to 33.4. Here it is. Problem is solved. Like when something increased by 1, that w now decreases by p%. It means problem is solved. Like they are equal. Guys, is it clear? Thank you. Let's continue. Okay, the next question is appeared previous year August test. In this problem, how to approach just creating table. We will create table here, and point is minus 27 and 3, minus 9. Here is 0. Basically enough entering 2 points, because for fully defining linear function we need only 2 points. That's enough. Now here as a this in our Desmos here y1, that's why I will write it y1. Now it's equal to, I am using regression here from the table, fx. So I will write here f of x1 dividing by x1 plus 3. But my Desmos does not understand what is fx1, but here is the answer. It's linear function. Let's define every linear function, fx function, can be defined like kx plus b. Guys, here you go. From here, by solving them, the function fully defines the value of b, 36 here. It means y-intercept of this function, 36. You can either look to the this one, it is 36 of the linear function, green function fx, here green. So answer is A. Here you can see this point. Guys, is it clear? Thank you. I saw it. Thank you. Let's continue. The next question. The next question is, you must understand the formula. When some value from original value, I'll call it old value, increased or decreased, does not matter, to new value, they happen some percentage change. This percentage change, every SAT student must know formula is new minus old divided by old times 100. This formula works. Now here as well we can solve this. We can see original value is here. When x increases by 1, your value will be f of x plus 1. It is new value, minus f of x, old value, dividing by fx and multiplying by 100. Okay, I will multiply at the end this expression. I will get what? 81 times bx plus 1 minus 81 times bx dividing by 81 bx times 100. Here also times 100%. It's equal to some percentage increase c. Here we easily got this, the last expression from the numerator. If you factor out b to the power of x at the here just 81 as well, you will get here just b, because bx plus 1 dividing by bx gives you just b, minus 1 dividing by 81 b to the power of x times 100. This expression are same, and you will get the beautiful expression c equals to 100 times b minus 1, just applying percentage change formula in one step. Guys, this moment is clear? Thank you. Okay, very good. The next question. 10th question is a pretty popular question on SAT test. We will solve this 10th question. Here we are given some circle, and in this circle given center with coordinates h and k, and there is a point A which is coordinates h plus 1, k plus root of 102, and there is a given ACB angle. ACB angle is this angle, because here right angle, B is here. We are supposed to find the length of AB. I will call it. Okay, here it is. First of all, we know that we are given 2 points. By 2 points, we can calculate distance between them. Distance formula in the xy plane between 2 points is here. It is root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and square root of it. If we apply this formula here, it is h plus 1 divided minus h. It is just will be 1. So root of 1 plus this number minus k. K goes, you will get root of 102 is square of it, it will be 102. If you do root, you will get easily root of 103. It means this one root of 103, this one root of 103. Guys, it is special triangle. In special triangle, special right triangle, x root of 2 will be, you can find this formula in the SAT College Board's reference sheet. So this one, for calculating this hypotenuse, this number should be multiplied by root of 3. If you multiply it, you will get root of 206. So correct answer is A. Guys, this moment is clear. Okay, very good, guys. Next question. Next question is actual map problems, like it can be appeared on the AUS test as well. The idea is pretty good. For solving any this kind of problems, its general formula is actual distance. For finding new actual distance at the 1 inch, you should find actual distance alt dividing by 1 plus minus p over 100. As I mentioned before, when something increases by p%, you will write here 1 plus p over 100. When something decreases, 1 minus. Okay. Due to it is a map problem, the proportionality will be inverse, like the denominator will be this expression. When here longer it's taken, that's why here you should plus. Now we can do here same. The actual distance was 19. For finding new actual distance, old actual distance 1 longer, yeah, here. So 1 plus 65 over 100. This formula always works and gives you correct answer. Problem is solved. Guys, is it clear? Okay, thank you. This formula works. You can use this one every time. For finding new actual distance, alt, you should divide to this percentage. Very good. Let's continue. The next question is popular college board question. Here must know some geometry rules. Okay, let's here provide some circle. And to this circle, from M and from some MH and NH are tangents. Okay, H line is here. From here, I will provide my tangent line. Okay, it is called, let's say, M, and I provide again from here to my circle tangent. Tangent line means the such line which only touches to the circle at one point. Another main property of the tangent is radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So this one is radius. And this one is also radius. Okay, it is first property. Must know SAT students. For SAT students. Now, and as well, another must know formula, the tangent distances till touching points are equal. It means, should consider that MH equals to NH will be. Every SAT student must know formula. Okay, it is second property. First property was radius perpendicular to tangent, but to any tangent. Okay. Then let's say this one is radius. Let's say I will call this one T because they are tangents. Okay, we are defined that radius equals to this one, and T I don't know, but we are given what? We are given perimeter. If we are given perimeter, we can use this 2 times T because we have this one plus this one, and perimeter is this one also should be added, plus 2 times of radius equals to, I'm just solving linear equation, 38, 56. You can see T is found from perimeter. After this, the 1 point, the calculating the distance between G and H, this distance, is using simply Pythagorean theorem. It is root of radius square plus t square. So problem is solved. Answer is D. Guys, is it clear? Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. Mm-hmm. Thank you very much. That's important geometry problem. Okay, about the next question. Guys, if it is a real exam question, when College Board gives, it should not be so hard. But it seems hard when student firstly appears it. And here, guys, College Board gives only symmetrical values. What does it mean? It means while plugging here -6 to every value of x, what you will get at the bracket, you will get just 1. 1 minus b, 1 minus c, due to the square sign. Okay, when you here plug -4 as well, you will get the same approach. You will get the same expression, just a times 1 minus b, 1 minus c. It means p minus 6 and p minus 4, both of them equals to a, 1 minus b, 1 minus c. It means here from the problem, p minus 6 equals to 35, because this point lies on this line. It means this one is just 35. The same logic here. When you plug here, okay, when you here plug 0, you will get just 5. When you here plug minus this, you will get here minus 10, minus 10 plus 5. But in square, it gives you still 5 square. Here also 5 square. In this case, here also 5 square. The same technique here. So this one also, so P0 equals to P of minus 10. Here's 323. If you add them, you will get 358. Conclusion. In every College Board's question, just adding this number to this number gives you correct answer, guys. Consider this. Consider this part. Just adding this one plus this one gives you correct answer. College Board does not give something ugly. It should be always beautiful. So here, don't spend your time for entering this expression to Desmos, using listing method for here and calculating this. Guys, College Board never tries you with something very ugly, something very hard. This one also possible without Desmos. And just adding, shortcut is just adding this number to this number gives you correct answer in every this kind of questions. Guys, is it clear? Okay, let's continue. The next question. The next question is about this value, like when you are given a function and they r and s are divided by s greater than k. It's one of the experimental questions. So how to approach to this question? Yeah, there is ways like without deeply understanding this problem, just equalizing discriminant and 0 and taking this number as the answer. This way also possible. That works for every this type of question. But as a math teacher, I now here and explain you the full way of this problem. Because why it's like this to such kind of questions, here I should answer, guys. I should answer. Okay. Math, I will use this one. Okay, problem is here, and we will solve this problem. Okay. Okay, so when you see here quadratic equation and pay attention to that, so it is two distinct real solutions. When two distinct real solutions, just discriminant equalize to 0. Okay, 8r x square minus 8tsx plus 8r equals to 0. Now I will divide both sides to 8. I will get here rx square minus 10sx plus just 8r. I am dividing to 8 here, just will be 1. Will be, so equals to 0. Now, okay, okay. Now what I can do else, like this two real solution, two distinct real solutions, so it means discriminant is greater than 0. It is discriminant, so the square of this number, it is 100s square minus 4r square, 4r square, it is greater than 0. Exactly two distinct solutions, so the strict inequality. Okay, 100s square greater than 4r square. After dividing both sides to 4, you will get 25s square greater than just r square. And you need information about r over s. Let's I will divide both sides of this inequality to s square. I will get r square dividing by s square less than 25. Good, good. Here a point, guys. We should solve this inequality. For solving this, I will do both sides square root. This one and this one. If I do square root, you must know rule is x square root is always equal to absolute value of x. It means absolute value of x here will be module of r over s less than 5. Okay, conclusion. We should open this module. It is like module of r dividing by module of s less than 5. Okay, here given that r is greater than 0, while opening, when affect this model to the positive value, it does not do nothing, just it will be plus. But here it, when model affects to the negative value, absolute value here affects with minus sign. Minus s here will be less than 5. And I'm going to find r over s, so that's why I will multiply both sides to minus 1. If I multiply it, here I will get r over s. While multiplying inequality to both sides to negative number, it change. Now it will be minus 5. Now r over s is greater than minus 5. Look, guys, when r over s greater than minus 5, it is ensures what? No solution. It means when r over s greater than minus 4, as well no solution. When r over s greater than minus 3, as well no solution. Here, all those values are the values of k. So we need the least possible value of k. The least possible value of k is 5. K is such a number where r over s should be greater than minus 5. Problem is solved. K, the least value of k is minus 5. Problem is solved. Guys, is it clear? Yeah. One of the experimental question. Must know. Okay. Another thing about 15th question. About 15th question, yeah, I upload Desmos solution for this in my Desmos channel, in my official channel. But here, guys, so yeah, you can watch it as well. First, let's say I will show this problem by paper, like x minus k square equals to k minus 5a times x minus k. It is obviously quadratic equation, and guys, so okay, We can solve it the easy way, like solving this equation: x minus k square minus x minus k times k minus 5a equals to 0. Now x minus k factor out. You will get here x minus k square. If here already factor out, here will be minus k minus 5a, like two brackets. Quadratic equation has two solutions. Now the first solution will be x1 equals to just k, and our solution is solving this, equalizing this one to 0. You will get x2 minus k plus 5a, while this minus affected to this minus will be plus. You will get x2 equals to 2k minus 5a. When you add them, x1 plus x2 will be equal to 3k minus 5a. And on the other side, sum of solutions 3k plus 21 according to the problem. Now 3k goes, you will get minus 5a equals to 21. A equals to minus 21 divided by 5. Guys, is it clear? Thank you. Another way for solving Desmos solution, for finding Desmos way, is yeah, it's longer, but it's beautiful. That's why I want to show it. Today, guys, I am showing the basics of it, because like blindly using Desmos is not so efficient, because if you are not pro, because that's why many of my students, like while solving problems, they just over believe it to the Desmos, and while solving they struggled. They just found the incorrect answer because they don't deeply understand the true meaning of the Desmos. That's why if you are not sure, just don't use it. G of x equals to, now another one is k minus 5a times x minus k. Just I am equalizing two sides. After this, I know that those two are equal, and those two are equal, and not only one point, because quadratic equation it is. They should be two intersection points, and uh, they should be like two solutions, and those solutions should be different. Like what I will do now, I will here open this kind of brackets. I call it listing method. So the first information here given that f of some value x1, it's equal to some value g of x1. Yeah, basic thing. Another information, f of at some value x2, it should be another value. It's equal to, because they are equal, fx equals to gx according to the problem, g of x2. Okay, the next thing is here, uh, also given that sum of solution x1 plus x2, the solutions, guys, sum of solutions according to the problem is equal to 3k plus 21. You can see Desmos here takes the values x1 and x2 are same value, just same points. I don't need this because I have two distinct solutions. That's why what I will do, I will say that x1 is greater than x2. So after this, that must find the solutions, everything, and a is found. The value of a is minus 4.4. We solved this problem by hand as well. We will get minus 21 over 5 as well. The paper way also confirms. So, guys, that is the Desmos way. Here, I hope I explained it here everything. In my channel, I am uploading the Desmos solutions for most of questions. Now, here I wanted to show this method, guys. Is it clear? Thank you, Madad Bey. Atiyah, Fariza, Light. Mhm. Very good, guys. Very good. Let's continue. If you have any questions, you can ask now about paper way, about the Desmos way, about this problem. No questions. Very good, guys. So 16th problem. So guys, let's continue. The next question is popular SAT question. Here, given that your function rectangular region divided 92 squares. So if it is 92 times of A will be total area of it. Now, on the other hand, it's equal to length times width. Now, the width is given, which is some x1 value, root of A, times length. Here written that the length is this times greater. It means this times of length. Length is x1 root of A. Here you go. Now, Desmos here automatically takes A1, but A is something positive. I should here mention it. I will mention it like take A as something positive. Something positive and like this, let's say. Because, yeah, now it's correct. So, x1 is 4. Guys, is it clear? Okay, very good, guys. The next problem is about similarity. Like, given that those angles are equal, and let's mark the pointers. 1800, it's equal to AB, 1800. Next one, EB is 1400. Next one is BD is 700. Next one is CD is 800. So, due to similarity, why they are similar? Because this angle are equals, that angle equal to this angle, and this angle equals to this angle. Okay, I will mark them. So this one equals to this one. So this one equals to this one. So I can claim that triangle ABE is similar to triangle BDC. Now we need to find x. Let's say when two triangles similar, the ratio of them, so opposite of this one will be just x. X divided by opposite of this 800. Now it's equal to, let's say, opposite of this one equals to 1400, dividing by opposite of this one is 700. Just look, pay attention. The ratios are equal when opposite sides. Okay, here for calculating x, this one just goes to this side as a multiplication. So 14 divided by 700 times just 800. You will get 1600. So x equals to 1600. Guys, this one is clear. Similarity. Thank you. Thank you, guys. The next problem is about compositions and inequality problem. We try to understand this problem. The composition of metal alloy consists of 4 different metals: iron, silver, gold, and bronze. The mass the mass of the iron is at least 65% less than the mass of the bronze.
What the heck?
Guys, yes? Nilüfer Usmanova? Okay. Look, guys. Iron, at least, when something at least is this sign, 65% less. I told this 1 minus 65 over 100, 0.35 will be of bronze. Okay, next thing. Total mass of gold and bronze. Okay, gold plus bronze is no less. When something no less, it means greater or equal to. No less than 400. It means greater or equal to 400. It is just 4. Convert percentage to just numbers of the iron. Iron it is. Okay. If bronze is 20% more when it is equals 20% more 1.2 of silver, which silver has a mass of 150. Just I can calculate 1.2 times 150, 108. Okay, guys. Now I know the mass of this. It is bronze is 180. Now I can calculate 0.35 times 180 gives me the minimum mass of the gold, of the iron. Okay, now here you go. I will call iron X, I will call gold Y. I need the minimum value of this. So the first expression X is greater or equal to 63, the first one. Another one is Y plus bronze is 150 is greater than 4 times of iron. Iron is, I guess it is X. Here you go. Now I need intersection point of them and I need the maximum value. So here it starts. So from here, I need the Y value. And okay, here you go. Wait, I should check again, little bit. I think everything is clear. Here, 102. Here happens the least value of the gold, and this shaded region is our answer. Let me check again. I should here somewhere maybe did mistake. Bronze is 150. Okay, I think here it is. Guys, is it clear? Thank you. Let's continue. The next question is about the right square pyramid. So just imagine you have right square pyramid. Must know concept, guys, for every citizen. Here apex of the pyramid. Provide from here sides. 4 sides here pyramid has. From here is height. From here you need to surface area. Yes, you need here this one F slant height. This one A divided by 2. This one is height. This is a very beautiful connection. Height square plus A divided by square 2 square is always equal to F square. This connection is very beautiful and you must know. Okay. And what about areas? Area of the any pyramid is surface area. Okay. let's say surface area of any pyramid which depends from the side length and depends from height. It can be calculated by the way the area of the base a square plus plus here here now we need this part. Yes, we need this part base times f divided by 2. It is af divided by 2 gives you area of this triangle, but we have 4 of them. I will multiply to 4. Okay, here I will call it this one f. Here you go. This formula gives you surface area of it. Okay, now let's calculate for the first one. Both of them, like base area is 100. It means the 10 will be side lengths of the. Now for the very first one, surface area according to this formula, height square 11 square plus a divided by 2 square. It is 5. 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 square gives you surface area of the first one. Now I need to subtract surface area of the second one. 10, but slant height is a little bit different. It is height is 22 square, 22 square plus again 5 square according to the very first formula. Now their difference, but I need their positive difference, so that's why 209 will be the closest answer. Problem is solved. Guys, is it clear? Okay, very good. Next question. And the next question, for being no solution to line, the both lines should have same slopes. The slope of the first one minus 7 over 17 of r. Now it's equal to minus 4 divided by 51. So just equalizing slopes can give you answer in no solution problems. So problem is solved. Yeah, I think it's easy problem. Just equalizing slopes. So slope of this one, I equalize it and I got correct answer. Okay. About the next question is popular question. Here the main point given that for finding flux, you should product multiply field strength, which is given 29, to surface area. Okay. If you read the problem first part, here consists of two like areas, square areas. The sides are like x and 3x, 3x, because 3 times larger. Area will be just a, area will be 9x squared, which is 9 times of a. Given that to you, the strength through whole one, it is strength 29 times area, according to this formula. It is 10a will be 10 times of a area. It's equal to 46, 40. So from here you can calculate area, and you need the flux through the larger square. Strength 29, larger square is 9 times of a. So problem is solved. 4176. I repeat again. Given this formula for finding flux, multiply strength, which is 29, to area. This one gives you total area 9 plus a, just 10a. I calculated it and equalized it. I calculated from here area. After this, I calculated the flux through this one. Strength times area. So problem is solved. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Thank you. The last question is modeling quadratics. In this problem, you are given quadratics, that's why, and as well given maximum value. You can here modelize your quadratics in the vertex form, which is a times, here, this one is x coordinate, that's why x coordinate of the vertex, x minus 7, here square, plus this number. Also given information that hit the ground. When hit the ground after this, the height after the 16 seconds will be equal to 0. F of 16, now it's equal to 0, guys. After this, you need the value when it here first reach. Okay, we need f of some value t. It will be equal to 972. Now here 2 times using regression is wrong. That's why if you find here first a, yeah, without it, let's define this number a with minus 16. Now you can find 11.5. If they ask another reaching point, just tell them t is greater than 12. Okay, look. Okay, look, guys. Yeah, it's the first solution. Another solution is just tell them t is greater than 3. Another solution 11.5. So second reach happens when 11.5. First reach happens when 2.5. Problem is solved. So answer to the question is first reach. That's why 2.5 is the correct answer to this question. Guys, is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Now training set is finished. I think I fully analyzed them. Here I provided all like the most authentic solutions, and yeah, like I wanted to show you these methods for boosting your general math, guys, boosting your general math, and as well for deeply understanding SAT math. I here shared some my Desmos tricks, which might which might be helpful for you, and another Desmos tricks you can find from my channel as well. You can just go my channel and ask from here. You can find lots of Desmos tricks. Thank you guys for attending to this class. Goodbye. If any questions now, okay, you can ask any question here. Please write in my channel in comment section. You can I can reach out to you.